There, hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo for the portfolio income, and this is about print on demand business, which I recommend, and the platform I recommend is Printful, because they give you a free account, they train you and teach you how to do this, and I'm here to do the sayings, the slogans and the logos that you need, and show you just how simple this is. It's easy, it's not that hard, you know. Um, and you know, to get you to realize this is a passive system, so you know, to get you off active income, and but don't give up your job, don't give up your just on broke yet, you know, just wait, do the right thing, and like I said, do your, you know, do your job, and then do this part-time. Just start this part-time, it's free, you know, why not? And then when you do, you know, but don't cry over the losers, don't be like that. You see, you got to fix what's between your ears, right? See, because the marketplace doesn't work like your job, it doesn't. It's as simple as that. But it doesn't matter. If you're wanting to keep going and keep doing, so you click out your losers, you put up more, flick out the losers, put up more, and then you start. What happens? You start getting some winners, and those winners, once you start getting some winners, those winners soon, you know, that's what happens. This is what happens. You get some more winners, and then you get some more winners, and another winner, and another winner. It's pretty soon. Those winners, what do? They replace your earned income, and you can say to your boss, "See you later, boss. I don't need you no more. I've got my own business. It's passive. I'll do that, thanks." And then you just do keep carrying, rinse and repeat. Just keep on doing the same thing over and over again. You see, because this is where you want to be. You want to be in this kind of business, because this is the easiest business that I know online. It's simple. It's a simple business, and where you can differentiate yourself in the marketplace through your sayings, your logos, and your slogans. So, without further ado, let's get on with it and see and make some more, shall we? Yeah, here we go. Um, here's one. Uh, Portfolio income is not short term. That's right. It's not. You know, this takes a long time. You know, it can. You know, a lot of people park their money here. Rich people do it too, but they usually buy gold or silver or Bitcoin or something like that. You know, that's what they do. And they just park their money, and you know, for the long term. You know, they never sell. You know, they might sell much. You know, if they've got an investment they're going to get into and they're a bit short, they might sell off their holdings to get into that investment, and then as a result of that, there's no tax. You see, because they're investing. You see, this is these people know. You know, they're not silly. You know, and it's just here's the other one. Here's another one, right? Here's another one. And this is another one. Portfolio income is not consistent. That's right. It's not consistent. You know, because you don't get paid. Ah, you don't get paid weekly or monthly. You know, in this, no, you don't. You know, we if you get a, you know, if you have a portfolio of say property, right, and you have 10 properties, and you get paid weekly or fortnightly or monthly from that. That's what happens. But that's your cash flow. But the long-term effect of owning those properties is the capital gain that you get from them. So yeah, and so there's, well, that's a two uh, prong force there, you know, and you can get, you know, there's a lot of concessions you can get, which is one is depreciation. A lot of people who are wealthy people use that as a and they, you know, they use that as their payday, because the what do you call it, the depreciation actually lessens the amount of the taxation and the losses as well. So they actually get some income from that particular source. called depreciation. See, so and there's some money. Yeah. So that this is what. But see, these people are smart. They're not dummies. You see. So portfolio. So I'll have to do this. There you go. Portfolio income is not consistent, and it isn't. You see, because you only get paid quarterly, 6 monthly, or yearly with that, and that's with stocks usually, and they're not secure. No way in hell are they secure. No way. You see, so what people think is secure isn't, and what people think is not secure is secure. So, the education that they've got in the way that they've been taught is all lies and deceit. It's all there to benefit the entity that calls itself the company or corporation that calls itself government, so they can get their maximum profits. And that's what it is. And there's another one about this one. Now this is true too, right? This is true, right? And there's nothing, it's not guaranteed. No, it's not. That's why people stay with their job, right? But then the job is the worst income source you can get, and it's the highest taxed. So why would you bother with that? See, I still say the same thing. Portfolio income is not short term, which it isn't. Most park gold and silver and Bitcoin and all that kind of stuff in that. And they'll have long-term assets as well. Some people, some of the, they'll have real estate in there as well. Portfolio income is not consistent. That's right. If you don't have anything like businesses which pay you out weekly or month or fortnightly or monthly, or all the time, when you're making sales and stuff, well then it's not consistent. See, that's why it's not consistent. Yeah. See, Warren Buffett's no dummy, right? He's really, really smart in the way he does things. He checks out the business, makes sure it's a trending business for a start. He makes sure of that. That's the number one for him. And two, what does he do? He makes sure the person who owns that business loves what he's doing, and makes sure that they want to stay, and then he pays them a salary. Active income, most taxed, right? And then he gets passive income from that business, the profits. See, and he's helped by the owner. So there you go. I mean, but because people have been, why? Because people have been programmed to believe this crap, right? They just have. That's how it is. And see, Warren Buffett's really smart. He knows it's true. He knows what it is. He's an investor, right? That's how he knows. You see, he's not silly. Smart man, right? But he's learnt over time. That's how that is, and that's how that goes, right? And I'll show you what I mean, because this Printful business is the way you should go, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's free to join, and you can start, and you can get, you get your logos like I'm showing you how to do it. You see how easy this is. I mean, how much effort have I put into this? A few minutes in front of you. Not much time really, about 10 minutes to get out. And I came up with three logos just like that, 3 sayings, 3 slogans just like that. How much time did it take me? It didn't take me long, did it? Hey? And you can do this too. You can do this. Yes, there are things that right, that people need to know, right? Just as there are things I know that people need to know, right? So it's the same deal. Okay, so, I'll show you what I mean. I mean, this is really, really simple and basic stuff. See, there it is. There's the girl with the hoodie on, right? And she's got on her she's saying your design here. And the minute you put your design on that hoodie becomes a unique product in the marketplace. It's yours. It's got your logo on it. It's copied by copyright. And now that hoodie is unique in the marketplace because it's got your saying on it, your slogan, your logo on it. So that's the thing. You got to understand that. And then there's the second thing I've got to show you, and that's this. You get a free account. Like I said, this is my free account, right? This is my free account, see? And I'll prove it to you. Right, there you go. There's my name on my account. This is a Printful account. All right, and then there's the best sellers. Now you see t-shirts, caps, mugs, and they've got 4 here. So and a mat, placemat as well. So and they've got the prices there and everything. So I mean, it's just I mean, they show you everything. They tell you what to do. There's a challenge for points. You're a beginner. So how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, and that's what this plate. This is a so you've got your fashion guide so they tell you what sells, and you've got Printful Academy. So that's videos on traffic and anything else that you need to know, which is there, and product templates. So they show you that as well. So you get everything here that you need to start this business, and it's all free. So why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Because you think that your active income is secure? I've got news for you. No, it ain't. COVID-19's shown that. It's not secure. When's the axe going to fall on you? If those 4 things happen to you, you're dead. You're dead in the water. The 4 things I mean. Don't get sick, don't get hurt, don't get made redundant, and don't get sacked, because those are the 4 things that'll happen on earned income. And once any one of those 4 things happen, you lose your income. That's how it works. But that's not the case if you build one of these. You build one of these businesses, right? You're building a passive income, source. That's what you're doing. You're building it's a system to build a passive income income. That's what it is. And then you're secure. Well, but don't cry over the losers, for goodness sake. Move, don't cry over them. Chuck them out. Put some more up. Put some more up. Keep on doing it consistently. Until you get some winners. And when you've got some winners, you got some cash flow. And then you can build on that. And then that's what you do. You build on the winners, and you chuck out the losers. You keep chucking the losers out, keep chucking the losers out, keep chucking the losers out, and you get the winners in, and then that's it. And then pretty soon your job's replaced. Pretty soon you're just on broke earned income is replaced. And now you don't have to go there. Now you've got your business, and you're up and running. You're there, And this is how it is. This is how it should be, and you've got to get into this. Come on. This is simple. You saw how easy it was for me. I mean, it's the same for you. It's not going to be any different. There's not much work involved in it. It's not. This is as hard as it gets. Maybe putting up a store. I don't, but the thing is, they'll teach you that. They'll show you what to do, because they want. If you succeed, they succeed. This is how it is at Printful, right? This culture works differently, which is really good. So that's why I'm recommending it. See? So come on, get involved. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more snacks and a notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, and get involved with Printful. Come on. Do yourself a favor. Get yourself off earned income. That's what you need to do, and get on passive income, and do it part-time from the start. Don't just give up your job, because that's a mistake. Don't do that. Okay? And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.